In a minute, you can create your own Stickman videos for no cost. If you want to make simple, engaging, or viral style videos for YouTube education or storytelling, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to create Stickman videos for any niche without spending any money. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see this is the example of video. Let's play this video. First of all, go to this video description for the prompt. I will give this doc file link in this video description, and for premium private content that is not available on a YouTube or few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. Just visit the doc file and copy the prompt. Then go to ChatGPT, open new chat, simply paste here, and here you can see you can simply read this prompt also. Just you need to add here your topic. So you want to create, suppose for example, motivational videos. Suppose you want to create and your channel niche is motivational videos. Just type here your motivational videos, then click on send prompt. Here you can see 59-second motivational Stickman videos package. So this is a video script in a first, but we need image prompt. So simply copy this scene 1 prompt, then this is the image generation prompt. Then go to Gemini or Whisk or ChatGPT or any another tool. If you have Leonardo.ai, then you can also create image from Leonardo. Here you can see I had already created a video about how to get Leonardo AI Premium free for 1 month, official method. So please visit my YouTube channel homepage to get Leonardo.ai. Then simply select this create image, paste here your image generation prompt for scene 1. Then again go to ChatGPT. Here you can see scene 2 prompt. Copy this. Again go to ChatGPT Gemini to create scene 2 image. Same as you need to create all the scene image, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6. In a first you need to create all the image. So let's wait few. Here you can see our image is generated. So let's check another image. The second image is also created. Now we need to download both the image. In your case, download all the image for your video. Then go to this website. I will give this website link in this video description. Here you can see workspace Google. This is the official Google website. Click on this, sign in to 𝐕𝐲𝑒𝑡𝑠. This is the completely free. You don't need to subscribe Google Flow or Grok AI. Then click on choose landscape. What type of videos you want to create, landscape or portrait or square. Click on this 𝐕𝐲𝑒 3.1 new. Now here you can see a prompt space and a here you can see our video is generated. Click on this insert button. Let's play this video. And here is your Stickman videos. You can also add a scene from this plus icon and generate another videos according to your prompt. This is the method 1. Then simply click on this share button and you can download videos. Let's download one videos for scene 1. You can also download all the scene at once. The another method is go to 𝐬𝐬𝐬𝐴I. Here you can see this is the website. You don't need to add your payment detail or card detail anything. Just go to this website and sign up with your email or temp mail. It also support temp mail or 10-minute mail. Click on this after sign up and log in your account. Click on this new space. Then again go to ChatGPT for the video generation prompt. Here you can see scene 1 video generation prompt. Now you need to select aspect ratio. So zoom out, click on this, then crop button. Now click on this star button. Now let's wait few moments to generate videos. Here you can see our video is generated. Just click on this full screen. Don't worry about this logo. In a first, click on this download button. I'll show you how to get video without logo. So here you can see our video is downloaded. Now go to this website, then choose the file which is just we downloaded. Now click on this and select the area of logo. Click on this apply button, then click on this export and export. Click on this save. Now here you can see a video without a logo. By this way you can create Stickman videos for free without adding your payment detail or anything. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐚 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.